Hello guys, so today we'll be installing Android Studio on our machine. Firstly, we will download the installer and just click download the installer. For installing the Android Studio, we'll have to install the Java JDK. So for that, just visit this link and install the latest version of the Java, that is 8U212, and accept the license agreement. And here we can see that there are two versions, Windows x86 and Windows x64. In my case, I am having a 64-bit Windows. Yeah, you can see here x64. I'll have to install the x64. If in case you are having a 32-bit Windows, you will be just required to install this version x86. So I'll just download this. Now before installing Android Studio, we'll install JDK, and I'll provide the link for both the web pages in the description, so you can just check them out. Just click on next, and here you can just change the directory if you want to. In my case, I want to just let the Java install in my C directory. Program files is this directory particular, so in my case it's okay, so I'll just click next. So okay, the Java JDK installation has got completed, but if we want to just try the Java has got installed or not, we'll just search for run and type cmd and click OK. And now just type here Java C to check if whether the Java has got installed on machine or not. So it says Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So the Java hasn't got installed yet. So for the pure installation, you have to just go to this PC and right click on it, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and now just go to the path and double click on path. Okay, so you have to just add a path here, and the path for that is in the local disk C, program files, and just get into the Java and just go to the JDK, go to bin and just copy this path and paste it here by creating a new environment variable value. So just paste it and click OK. And now we have to make a new environment variable. Click on new and type Java underscore home, and the variable value would be JRE, the folder by the name JRE. Just open it and copy this path and paste it. Okay, okay, okay. So now reopen the command shell, but just by typing run command prompt cmd and type Java C and press enter. You can see that we have got the Java installed on a machine, and even more you can just check the Java version. Just type Java space hyphen version, and you can see that we have the Java version 1.8.0 underscore 212. Okay, so now close this and close this even, and now we'll run the Android Studio installer. Click on next, next, and I just want to get the Android Studio installed on my another directory. I just want it to get installed in D drive. Next, install. So we have just completed Android Studio installation. Start Android Studio, finish. Yeah, do not import settings. Okay, send user statistics to Google. Click on next. Select standard, and I just like sharp. So click finish. It would download and install some dependencies. So yeah, components that got installed, and start a new Android Studio project. Click on it, and I will just select a navigation drawer activity and click on next. That's alright, and just click on Java. If you are working in Java, if you are willing to work in Kotlin, you can just select Kotlin, but in my case it's Java. Select the minimum API level for the app that you just want to run on a device that has got installed ice cream sandwich version of the Android. So if you just want to select a API queue, that would be the Android 9 Plus. Makes that your app will run on less than 1% of the all over devices in the world. So I would just select a API that would make it 100%. So that's Android 4.0.3. Now click finish, and even before clicking the finish, you can just edit your project saving directory here, and you can also change the package name. Default is the my application name. Finish. It would take some time to build the grid. You have just got installed the Android Studio and it's running fine. You can work over it and just create awesome apps. Gradle build has got completed, and you can just check the main activity. And the first run of the Android Studio just takes some time to get synced. Next one would be much more smoother and less time. Yeah, so the build has got completed, and you can just check this in the main activity. Everything is here, and the layout, activity main, design. Here we can see that the navigation bar is here, and we can also edit it from here. So that was the full installation of Android Studio. So hope it was helpful. Thank you.